Who decides what your home is worth? Well, the market decides. And a lot of people don't like that that is the truth. As agents, we go in, we can pull comps, we look at the condition of your home, and we suggest a list price, most likely sale price. But the person that actually determines the sale price of your home is the market. And the market is the buyers. So as the buyers go in, go through the home, if you have had a lot of showings, haven't had an offer, or it's lower offers than you expected, that's just the market talking. So unfortunately, it's not always what you want to hear, but it is reality. Do you have to accept that offer? No, you don't. As a seller, you do not have to accept that offer. Sorry, y'all. It's humid and hot out here, Louisiana. But anyway, so no, you do not have to accept the offer if it's not what you want. But if you do want to sell your home and you've been on the market a bit, you've had some showings, you've had some offers, either condition or price, and condition does definitely affect the price. The buyers are going to take all that into consideration, and they will ultimately set the sale price of your property.